Welcome back as we continue to walk through Hallmark 1, Building Personal Credibility. I would like now for us to visit together building priorities as you make this transition. So it begins with redefining your relationship with your employees. Now, the key word here is the word redefine. The prefix re means to go back, to return. So, how do we do that? How do we go back? How do we define or redefine your intent with your employees by initiating conversations with your employees to clarify your role, to clarify the expectations of the group, and how together you and the group will collaborate? You redefine by making an effort to learn each employee's unique strengths and talents. Acknowledge that you want to learn from him or her, and you must always be clear that you are in transition and that you expect and value open communication and feedback. And may I add here that it's important for you to create a space which we consider safe, in which open communication and feedback can take place without fear of retaliation. Number two, remove irritants and barriers. Again, the prefix re. You're returning back to that initial place with the intent of removing any barriers that may still exist or that maybe have cropped up in the process. You do this by asking employees to identify barriers to getting their work done. Again, you can see with this bullet statement here that it takes collaboration. You set priorities and you go after one barrier at a time. Now, why is that important? Because it's possible that if we try to uproot every barrier, in the process, we may uproot something that's going well. Go slow to go fast. Now, as you look at this, right, this seems to sound counterintuitive. But may I draw from my own personal experiences and may I propose that the fastest and most effective way to get to speed is to slow things down. As a team, it allows you to pause. It allows you to assess the current situation. And together, you are able to realign in order to enable us to work faster in the long run. So you go slow to go fast. And again, don't try to change big things too quickly. It takes time to establish boundaries and to prove yourself to others. So again, you're removing irritants and barriers. And then finally, follow through. As we look at this word, this term follow through, it's the continuing of an action or task to its conclusion. Keep promises. Deliver on your promises. And if you're not able to, then have that conversation with your team. Develop a tracking and follow up system and use it diligently. May I refer you to SL2, SMART goals. Remember the acronym STRAM. The S is for being specific and the T for being trackable. Under promise and over deliver when making commitments. And then finally, inform your employees of actions you take on their behalf, even if results aren't expected. You gain credibility for honesty. Thank you for your time.